Oh, those blue mulberries are starting to change color. Raspberries. Apples. More apples. Don't plant sunchokes unless you want them in your garden forever. But maybe you'll make a nice shady microclimate for some stuff because El Nino, it's gonna be hot and dry, possibly. This is a potato. I think it's supposed to be pink inside. Yep, a couple of Oyas in here. That one, that one. One of my friends made those, but she got impacted by Painted Tree closing all of their stores and kicking all their vendors out to the curb. Okay, mulberries, lots of mulberries. Persimmon. That's a pink dogwood over there. Just planted that. Here's another one of my friend's Oyas that she made. Thai lime tree. Lots of tomatoes. We have big boys, bobcats, and Genevieve over here. And then that's an amaryllis getting ready to bloom. And there's another one over there. And that's a peach tree. And banana mint, berries and cream mint. We have some strawberries that were escaping into the yard. Didn't want my husband to mow them by accident. Some chard. These are shishito peppers. This one, this one. There are a few around. This was on clearance at Lowe's for $7. So for $7, I thought the pot at least looked cute. We'll see if the plant survives. And then thyme, and kiwi, scuppernongs. I don't know if we'll get any scuppernongs this year. It's pretty early on in this plant's life. Some more strawberries. There's strawberries everywhere.